Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Ford Explorer's off-road specific Timberline series. This new Ford Explorer Timberline is a special off-road version of the already well-selling Explorer SUV, provided with better off-road features while also transporting 7 people in really good comfort. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Explorer Timberline is now available with a new forged green metallic exterior color, while also providing the standard blackout treatment around the headlamps and tail lamps and a black Ford oval to provide a unique appearance. And yes, the C-pillars and liftgate also feature special Timberline badges to differentiate this off-road specific version. The new Ford Explorer Timberline also features a set of red Ember tow hooks at the front that are rated at 150% gross vehicle weight. And yes, this off-road specific SUV also features high gloss painted aluminum wheels that feature a laser-edged Timberline logo. These special wheels are wrapped in 18-inch Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. The Explorer Timberline also includes LED fog lamps for illumination, and the dark carbonized grey grille at the front also has provisions incorporated along with a wiring harness for dealer-installed Ford Performance auxiliary lights to illuminate nighttime trails. The interior of the Explorer Timberline is also very unique, featuring a deep cypress interior trim combining with the ebony headliner, overhead console, A, B and C pillar trim. The cabin features a stone mesh instrument panel applique, distinctive satin silver twilight on the center stack, steering wheel bezel and the door armrest trim, and deep tangerine stitching on the seats, steering wheel and door trim. The front seats also feature Timberline logo embossed into the leather. The Explorer Timberline also offers off-road friendly interior features, including the standard rubber floor liners, the Active X seat trim with cloth inserts, and easy wash carpets. All the features and facilities available on the regular Explorer is also available on the Timberline, such as heated front seats, heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, Ford's latest touchscreen system with Sync 4 connectivity, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with Mirror Link, connected car features using the Ford Pass app, digital TFT instrument cluster, along with the standard 360-degree surround view camera. The Timberline also boasts of Co-Pilot 360, which includes features like intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go and speed sign recognition, lane centering, evasive steering assist, and voice-activated touchscreen navigation. Now let's get into the mechanical part. The Explorer Timberline comes as standard with Ford's intelligent 4-wheel drive, which is mated to a Torsen limited slip differential, which optimizes traction to the rear wheels. The Explorer Timberline also rides higher with a minimum ground clearance of 8.7 inches, thanks to the more robust off-road capable heavy-duty shocks and the high sidewalled 18-inch all-terrain tires. To improve confidence while off-roading, the Explorer Timberline also features standard steel skid plates, which start from underneath the front and continues under the engine and transmission and through the rear. As standard, the Explorer Timberline also features terrain management system offering 7 drive modes, including modes like trail, deep, snow, sand, normal, economy and sport. As a part of this system, the Explorer Timberline also gets hill descent control, allowing the large SUV to maintain a constant speed between 2 and 12 miles per hour, improving convenience for drivers on uneven descents. The new Explorer Timberline features a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine producing 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The new 2021 Ford Explorer Timberline is available to order right now and arrives at Ford dealers across the US this summer. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Ford Explorer Timberline version. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.